A Navy veteran gets pulled over for a missing license plate. The fine for that is $15. By the end of the night, he has 2 black eyes, a ruptured eardrum, and is covered in his own blood. The cops who did it laughed about it on camera. The city paid him $2.1 million. This is all on Bodycam. Watch.
Man, why are you trying to get out? All right, when do you get out of the car on a traffic stop? What's in that hand? Cool. All right, roll this window down for me. All right, man, so the reason I pulled you guys over...
How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. The reason I pulled you guys over is because there's no plates on this car.
My screws. I need new screws for my
Okay.
back part.
Okay. All right. You guys have a driver's license on you, ID?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have ID on you, sir?
Yeah.
All right.
So let me tell you what just happened legally. That officer claimed he smelled marijuana. That is enough under the law to extend the stop and attempt to detain him. Gadsden, refusing to get out of the car, is what the officer will use to justify everything that comes next. Here is the problem. Watch how fast this escalates from a license plate.
Yep. All right, hang tight, okay?
Okay.
Stop to this. Did you see that? No verbal warning. No de-escalation attempt. They reached directly through the window and started throwing punches. Under Graham v. Connor, force has to be objectively reasonable. The question a court asks is, would a reasonable officer do this? He is sitting in a car. He is not armed. He is not fleeing. He is being stubborn. That is not the same as...
Smell the weed from here. Is that coming from the car?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, like right away when I pulled him, he like tries to get out immediately. Just 2 of them in there.
Is he going to be detained for a DUI investigation?
Yeah, I was waiting for you guys to pull him out. It looks like there was a knife in the center console.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just waiting. Fuck. Can you read that? Carlos. Maybe? Yeah. Victor 9, we're code 4. Just gonna detain driver.
Being a threat. Keep watching. 20 times. He punched that man 20 times. They ruptured his eardrum. He had 2 black eyes. He was covered in blood. And the charge that started all of this, the missing license plate, carries a $15 fine.
Put your fucking hands on your back. Alright, bro. You done? Flip over now! You're under arrest!
Alright, my nigga, alright.
Put your hand behind your back!
My nigga.
Get on your stomach now! What the fuck did I do? Now! What the fuck did I do?
Alright. What the fuck did I do, bro?
Still fighting.
Alright, okay, alright.
Get on your back now!
Alright, I'm trying, my nigga. My brother. Oh, my brother. Oh my God. We are still
Arm behind your back now!
Oh shit, what did I do?
Right hand behind your back now!
Yes, sir.
Hey, I said right hand behind your fucking back now!
Okay.
We got 2 detained.
Stay here.
Yep.
Stay here.
And the supervisor.
$15. Now watch what happens after. They are laughing on their own body cam. While this man is sitting there bleeding, that footage right there is why the city settled for $2.1 million. Because that footage makes it impossible to argue the force was reasonable. The district attorney dropped every single charge against Gadsden. Assault on an officer, resisting arrest, DUI, all of it gone. He paid $15 for the license plate and got $2.1 million in return. The 3 officers, Hickman, Hummel, and Anderson, faced no criminal charges. They kept their jobs. That is the part nobody talks about. The city paid. The taxpayers paid. The officers who laughed on camera while a veteran bled on the pavement, they went home.